Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at an Arsenal shirt and it's from the year 2000. Now this was a request, somebody asked for it, so I went out and got it. They didn't ask for Henry on the back, but to be fair, when you're looking at an Arsenal shirt from this era, there's only one solid player you can get on the back of it. So the shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also try and find a DHgate link for an Arsenal shirt, just in case you want to check them out as well. So the shirt itself comes in a standard Nike bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. Now, because it has a name set on the back, obviously you don't see the front of the shirt straight away, you see the name. As I said, this one is from bestzv1.com. I will leave all the details for the seller in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is we'll open this Arsenal shirt from the year 2000 and we'll take a deeper dive at it. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt and it's got my favourite, it's got a proper collar. Just checking the collar is a separate bit of material that goes into the shirt. You can see the join just there. It's got quite a shiny red material. The Nike emblem has been embroidered into the material. On the sleeves, we have like a navy band that comes down and meets at the bottom. A couple of loose threads there, just double banding. The Arsenal crest has been embroidered in, bit of a loose thread there. And on this sleeve again, you've got the two navy stripes. Dreamcast has been heat pressed in. And it's a raised texture. It's like a slightly velvety feel. One thing I have noticed that's incorrect is this does have a dry fit in the emblem there. On the official one, which is a bit wonky as well, look. But on the official one down here, it had like the size of the shirt. I remember seeing it, I always thought it was a bit strange where you'd want to show what size your shirt is on the outside. We do have some breathable air pockets down the side. Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing that that's on the wonk. But apart from that, I think that's one of the big noticeable incorrect items on the shirt. And to be fair, the Nike tick looks a bit off as well. It might just be the way I've got it hanging actually if I hold that up. But who has shoulders that are shaped like that? So yeah, a little bit disappointing so far. We'll flick it over though and we'll have a look at the back where we do have the name set of Thierry Henry. Yeah, we'll flick it around now and we'll look at the back. Okay, we're on to the back of the shirt now and you see the collar line coming all the way through. I do like a good collar. Again, here's our navy stripe that we see. The air pockets continue around the back. And we do have the name set Henry. And this has been heat pressed on. And it's actually a plastic texture. Again, I seem to think this era, this would have been a velvet, but I'm not overly sure. If anybody does know, drop a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, in my head, this was velvet for this era. But as I said, I could be wrong. It might well have been the plastic. The material though is really nice. It is nice when it's so shiny. Put my hand through it. You can just about make out how see-through it is. Not too bad in all honesty. But the material is really nice being this red with the proper shine to it. I do like it. Obviously we've got the retro Premier League emblem there. For some reason I didn't order the Premier League patches. I thought I was going to be honest. I thought I'd put it down, but maybe I didn't. I was going to try and kit it all out to be a Thierry Henry shirt, but never mind. And there's the back. We'll take a look at the inside. I do love seeing a shirt with Thierry Henry on it though. Was there a better striker in the Premier League? The only one that I'd probably say is Alan Shearer, being a Blackburn fan. But yeah, Thierry Henry, absolute legend. So yeah, let's flick it around and we'll look at the inside now. Okay, we're now on the inside and you do get the standard Nike breathable tag, which is obviously the sort of tag you see on some of the newer shirts. Not correct for this era, but never mind. And it's just got a plastic tag that goes into the collar line. Collar line on the inside looks good, a lot of stitching there, and this is amazing. Look at how much they've got in there, that's easily pulling off. If it doesn't pull off like you've just seen me do there, my recommendation is just to make it a bit warm, put some warm water on it, and then it will come off nice and easy. I can't pull that bit off, so all I have, there we go. But yeah, just put a little bit of warm water on it if you're struggling to get it off, and then it will come off nice and easily. You can see where the blue bands have been embroidered in there, and we have the Nike tick, and that doesn't look too bad. Joins there. Dreamcast, I think that's actually been glued on. No creases. The only crease you see here is where the shirt has been in the bag, but apart from that, all looking good. Again, stitching looks fine. The odd loose thread here and there, but nothing to worry about too much. The emblem that we had down here of dry fit, it's on the wonk, just there. Okay, we'll flip it around and we'll look at the other side. Okay, the final part of the inside, we have Nike with the Nike tick there. It's been heat pressed in, size XL. This is a fans version, so the size is going to be quite true to life-like. So no need to size up or anything. All looking good there. Nameset of Henry. So that's been heat pressed on. Very smooth. Likewise with the number 14. Got a crease there. That's just from where the shirt's been in the bag. So once this has been worn or washed, these creases that you see will disappear. We do have our washing instructions here, talking of washing, and when you wash these shirts, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just leave it to hang dry. Do not put it in a tumble dryer or anything, otherwise you will start seeing your names, your numbers, your sponsor peeling off, and nobody obviously wants that. So just let them hang dry. I would also, when I do my first wash with these sort of shirts, I'd put them in on their own, just in case there's any colour run or anything. So that's the way that I would wash them. But yeah, all looking good. Absolutely perfect, to be fair. That Nameset has gone on very well. Yeah, very tidy. So look at the bottom of the hemline, which doesn't look too bad. Nope, all good. So there is our Arsenal 2000 home shirt with Thierry Henry Nameset. And there is our Arsenal home shirt from the year 2000. As I said, this was a viewer's request, so hopefully they are either subscribed or still watching around so they can see the review of this shirt that we purchased from bestzv1.com. On a whole, it's not a bad shirt. There's a few things that I've called out that are definitely incorrect, like the tag down there, wonky, and the incorrect one. The Nike tick I think is a bit wonky myself as well, and the Nameset on the back I think should have been velvet. Was this plastic or was this velvet? I know a lot of times in this era the sponsors were velvet, so maybe this bit's correct. But yeah, not overly sure on that one. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you do. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If there's any shirts you'd like me to look at as well, please do let me know and we'll get them ordered and review on this channel. As I said, the seller is bestzv1.com. All links and info will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a DHgate link as well. If anybody's interested in looking at those for this shirt or any other Arsenal ones, then that's what the link will take you to. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it, and let me know, say in the comments, whether there's any other glaring obvious mistakes with this shirt that I've noticed. It is a shame that there's a few things that are wrong with it, but on a whole, as replicas go, it's going to be better if they were to do like a score draw one or something, and for the price you're looking at about 14 quid. So I guess all in all you can't really complain. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.